How to fix money on hold on PayPal. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix money on hold at PayPal. If you resume selling after inactivity, you may face service disruption temporarily. This precaution is to find suspicious activities and verify the legitimacy of transactions. Although this hold might occur unexpectedly, maintaining a positive selling history can help you reestablish your credibility as a seller. Engaging in transactions out of your typical form, such as spending in a different country or unusual purchasing behaviors, and can trigger a hold of your funds. This measure protects against potential fraud, particularly if the transactions don't align with your spending habits or payment activities. The hold aims to ensure the security of your account and verify your identity. If there is a notable shift in the pricing or type of products you sell, PayPal may hold your account to investigate any abnormal sales activities. A sudden increase in product prices or changes in items sold can put your PayPal money on hold. For new sellers or those with a briefing selling history, especially involving high-value items, PayPal may impose a hold as a precautionary measure. It is to ensure smooth transaction process. Selling products like tickets and others may be a higher risk by PayPal. Other items like travel packages, computers, and other products might also attract scrutiny. In such cases, funds may be held for up to 21 days to confirm the legitimacy of the transactions. This approach enhances customer satisfaction and ensures a secure transaction for all parties involved. To release funds on hold, fulfill the order promptly and upload tracking information if applicable. Update the status to completed for service-based transactions in your PayPal account. Build a positive transaction history, and responding quickly to disputes can help get money off hold on PayPal.